Hello, Be. This is it. Ito na yung pinakahihintay ko na araw na ikakasal tayo. Madami na tayong pinagdaanan pero ito, matatag pa din tayo. I promise to encourage and inspire you, to laugh with you, and to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggles.
Ito ay ang plano ng Diyos para sa inyong dalawa, para kayo ay magmahalan ng habang buhay.
It's like watching the night sky.
I give to you today and all the days of our life. I promise to give you the best of myself. I tell you this every day, but what better day to repeat it than today? You are the love of my life. I love you.
And just like them old stars, I see that you've come so far to get right where you
Mayna, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Edmond na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, and when you're needing your space,
Sa dinami-dami ng mga tao sa mundo, kayong dalawa ang pinagtagpo. Pero ngayon, nandito kayo sa harap ng Diyos para sabihin na magmamahalan at magiging tapat kayo sa isa't isa hanggang kamatayan.
'Cause even the stars, as they burn, some even fall to the earth. But we've got a lot to learn, and God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up on us. God knows I'm tough.
Edmond, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Mayna na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Get rough, giving
Kaya nga, sa inyong kasalang ito, ibabahagi mo Mayna ang iyong pag-ibig kay Edmond. At ikaw, Edmond, ibabahagi mo kay Mayna ang iyong pag-ibig. At sa pamagitan ng pagbabahagi ng ito, si Edmond at si Mayna ay hindi na dalawa, kundi sila ay magiging isa.
This don't feel right. In fact, it feels like things are escalating. Just last night, I heard talks of a new beginning, and this is getting out of hand. And I'm sure you understand that we can't stay. So now we'll drink to a better cause, stand straight for the crooked ones. We'll set out and see how far we go, and we'll live life in a different light. Oh, steadfast through the darkest night, keep our heads up and eyes